Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm not gonna be doing my makeup. Today, my husband is gonna be doing my makeup today, so let's get started. He is camera shy, so I don't think he's gonna show his face, but let's get started.
Concealer.
You're gonna put on concealer. What product are you using?
I am using Laneige.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
A lot of product.
Oh, is it?
There's a lot of product. Should we answer some like relationship questions?
I don't know. Nobody's asking questions.
That's true. Let's do a question that nobody asked for. Oh, okay.
I'm using a sponge to evenly distribute it on the skins to cover up all your pores.
Oh, do I have a lot of pores?
No.
I found 380 Q&A questions for your YouTube vlog. Okay, are you ready? This is questions that nobody asked for. Ready? So first is, I guess first we should just tell them how we met. How did we meet?
You can tell them.
Okay, so we met at EDC. We were part of the friend group, and I joined last minute and he joined last minute, and yeah, that's just how we met. I'm not gonna look in the mirror till
I feel like
you're very precise. You're so gentle.
Gotta blend.
Oh, okay. Okay, so first question is, who said I love you first?
I did? I don't know.
Yeah, he did.
I don't know.
I remember he said I love you and I was like, thanks.
Do I need to add more? I feel like I did a good job.
Okay.
What's next?
Are you gonna go with the eyeshadow?
Yes. I'm going with the Clio eyeshadow.
What's the palette? What's the name of the palette?
The name of the palette. It's the Clio Pro Eye Palette 12 Autumn Breeze in Soul Forest. This is the palette I will be choosing Toasty Day, because it is a pretty toasty day today.
It is a toasty day today.
I don't know how to open this.
What brush?
Ah, there's like...
They're kind of dirty, I'm sorry.
It's like 800 brushes. I guess I use one that has a similar color. I don't know. This one.
Okay.
This is Toasty Day right here.
Oh, okay.
Actually, do I want to use Toasty Day? Actually, I kind of want to use... I'm using Warm Filling.
Is this color right here?
Okay, I'm going in.
So gentle.
Why does it look so like too much?
I don't know.
I feel like I did too much.
Did you?
Maybe. Yeah, I think I did too much. I don't know how to get it off though.
You can't get it off.
Oh, I guess I did. I guess
it's okay. It looks good. That's all you're putting? That's it?
Where are the sparkles? Isn't there like some sparkles?
Well, there's glitter right here.
Oh, do I use the same brush? Okay.
You're gonna use the same brush?
Probably not. Let's do a smaller one because we only want a splash of glitter.
Okay, you should show them what glitter you're
using. Use a splash of glitter here. What is this called? Leaf peeping. Put a little glitter on top here. A little less of a dab. Yeah, that's more like you only need a couple specks, right? I have to get this off.
You have to get it off? I told you once it's on, you can't get it off.
Oh.
Unless like I wash my face. Can you make me look like a K-pop star? Like I want to look like Lisa.
You want to look? I don't know what Lisa looks like.
I thought she was your bias.
No, man, I don't know what her makeup looks like.
Are you gonna curl my lashes?
Curl your lashes?
Okay, I trust you, but I don't think I trust you enough to curl my lashes.
I'll curl your lashes.
So I will curl my own lashes.
Put some berry.
You gonna put on mascara?
Mascara.
Okay. What should I do?
You should open up your eyes and look at the sky.
Well, I'm so scared. You're so gentle.
Okay, other side.
Whoa!
Other side. It's a little bit like too dense. Why is it so dense on this side? Your eyelashes like stuck together. How do I like?
We'll separate them.
How do I separate them? Oh, I need that stupid thing. That's what I need. This thing.
You gonna use that on my lashes?
Wait, this is for eyebrows. Never mind. I don't know what I need.
I don't know what you need. Are you gonna put more eyeshadows or is this it?
I don't know yet. I have to see how you look after. I know this is supposed to go like this.
Oh, good. Wow.
Straighten out the
eyebrows.
eyebrows. Oh, this is what I need. This is what I need. Okay, I know this pen thing is for the eyebrows. So this is like, you fill them in, right?
Yeah.
Why is it brown? This is what's measured. Oh.
Well, you don't want black. It's gonna be too dark.
Why is it not coming out?
You break it, you buy it.
Why is it not coming out?
No way. Did you break it?
Hmm?
It's in here. You broke it. It's in the lid. You closed it. Yeah, you broke my eyebrow pencil.
That's terribly designed.
No, you just closed it when the pencil was sticking out too much.
Terribly designed.
No, I need a new eyebrow pencil.
You have to go with a different color on the other side.
What are you gonna use?
I'm gonna use Taupe Gray. L'Oreal.
Taupe gray?
Taupe Gray.
Like a gel pencil?
Oh, no, so all of these are gel. Eye pencil.
Well, that was my only brow pencils.
There's no more options.
Yeah, there isn't, because that was my only brow product.
So what am I supposed to do?
I don't know, you messed up.
Where's the thing? Where's the pen?
So there's a potluck today at our community, like our gated community, and I see a microphone stand, and we live in a predominantly retired Vietnamese people. Is that right? Is that right thing to say?
Predominantly retired retired seniors.
Vietnamese though.
Yeah.
Okay, there are a lot of Vietnamese retired seniors here, and if you know senior Vietnamese people, or like Vietnamese people in general, they love to karaoke. And I see outside, and there is a mic stand, so I think there's gonna be karaoke tonight. It's gonna be a party. Oh, actually, there's a singer in our neighborhood, so I think she's probably gonna sing.
Okay, what's next?
No, that's garbage, babe.
Oh, my bad.
You could like.
You have to turn to me. I am going to put on this Etude eyeliner.
Okay, just letting you know that's my favorite eyeliner. So if you break that, like, I'm gonna be really.
Okay, close your eyes. You have to look at me.
Okay, sorry.
I need a napkin. Is there a napkin? There's a napkin.
And there's wet tissue.
I just need a dab off the bottom part.
Where are you going, to the moon? Like, I see you like going up here. Where are you going?
Oh, maybe.
How far are you gonna go?
I didn't realize how far it goes up. Hold on, close. Let me do an outline of what I want. Okay, I want it to go this way. Why does it feel like it's not that dark?
So focused, because this is like an ink. Do you want something that's darker?
Why does it look so?
Do you want something that's darker?
Yes. Oh fuck! Oh crap! This is so bad to do at an angle.
I shouldn't open because I need it to dry.
Why is this?
Do you think makeup is easy now?
I never said it was easy. I'm just trying to do a cat eye, you know. Okay, I don't know how to fix this.
Okay, do this side now.
I don't know how to fix this. I feel like I'm supposed to do it like close, like right here. Maybe not too far up. Boom. I cannot do cat eyes.
Are you gonna erase it?
The bottom. So much. Oh no.
Okay, what's next?
If I remember correctly, it goes like this, right? I don't know how much you're supposed to put. Maybe like this.
Okay.
And then like this.
Okay.
And then what do I have to do? I feel like I have to like use a sponge again.
Mhm.
And then I have to along your cheeks or something. I don't know. What is it supposed to do?
It's supposed to contour my face.
Like it's supposed to make your bone structure stand out more?
Mhm.
So maybe I'm supposed to do it like right below the bone cheek, like here.
Right below the bone cheek? Cheekbone?
Cheekbone, yeah.
Do bones have cheeks? Wait, what are you doing?
I'm putting on blush.
What blush?
Peri Para. This is the color. And then I'm gonna use this brush too, yeah. And then I'm gonna dab it onto the cheeks like this.
That might be too light for me.
This too light?
Yeah, it probably won't work. But you could keep trying.
I'll try this one then.
Okay. That's my favorite blush.
It is the Style Nanda. And the color is Youth Pink. So dab it in. And then just around the the cheekbones.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little bit more here.
Mm-hmm. You want to highlight?
What's highlight?
Highlight my cheekbones and stuff.
Highlight your cheekbones.
What are you using?
Lily by Red Love Beam Glow.
Where,
Is this like glitter? What is this?
what do you think you're gonna put? What do you think that? Where do you think that goes?
Underneath the cheeks.
Ooh, underneath.
On the cheeks.
Okay.
Oh, highlight the cheek. I get it. I see. Highlight the cheeks. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Put it on the cheeks.
Mm-hmm.
Are they highlighted? I can't tell.
Yeah, they're very highlighted.
Let me do this
Are
one.
you gonna make my nose skinnier?
Yes. That's what I was gonna do next, but I forgot what I was looking for. Aren't I supposed to use the stick too? Or is that something?
No, here. I'll just help you. You could use this powder. And then I use this to contour my nose. Like, I use these to contour my nose.
What's the stick that people use? I see people use a stick.
I don't use a stick. It's a little bit too advanced for you. That might be too light. I will go with this one.
I don't know what I'm supposed to... Oh, that's just on the brim. I think. Right? It's a little too dark.
You have to blend it out.
Am I supposed to use a sponge? No.
You're the artist. What do you think? Do you think I have a big nose?
Not as big as mine.
Okay, next question. What do you like about me?
You're beautiful.
That sounded like, you sounded like a robot. Like I had a gun to your head and I told you to say I'm beautiful.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
That's it?
You're beautiful and you're caring. And man, this eyeshadow is really bothering me. Not eyeshadow. This eyeliner is really bothering me. I don't know how to fix it though. I feel like I'm done. Except if I put the rhinestones.
What about my lips?
Oh yeah, your lips. See, we're going a little pink here. So let's go with, we need a little sparkle. Is there anything with sparkle? Oh, maybe this one. I like this one.
That's a gloss. What?
Oh, this one goes on top then.
Whoa! How do you know that?
Let's go with a pink shade. We're going with Ink Velvet 18.
I've never seen you
Bite down. I'm not bite down, but
I've never seen you so focused.
I told you, everything I do, I have to give 110%.
So the eyeliner was 110%?
No, the eyeliner is just it's a restyle, boys. You're gonna put some gloss now. Brighten that those lips up. Is that what it's supposed to look like? Oh, shit. That does not look right. At all. That does not look right at all. This is not the gloss I was thinking of.
What are you doing?
More sparkles.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Where are you gonna put that?
Underneath the eyes.
Okay. Let's do it. Okay. Thank you. Okay, what do you think?
Looks terrible.
Are you done?
Well, I want to fix the cat eye, but I don't know how to fix it.
Should I let down my hair now?
Yes.
Alright, you guys. This is the final look that my husband did.
I would say everything's pretty good except for the eyeliner.
Oh, you think the lips is good?
I mean, the lip started off good, but then the gloss messed it up.
I think we have to go to Target to get more makeup.
No, we don't.
You broke my eyebrow pencil.
How do you only have one eyebrow pencil? I feel like you've been buying eyebrow pencils ever since you got here. You should have like 40 of them.
Thank you so much for doing my makeup. I'm gonna keep this on all day and I'm gonna go out like this.
Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.